Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by backing up your Mac using Time Machine or a bootable clone drive. Verify the Mac model and year in about this Mac to confirm compatibility. Download the Macos Ventura 13. Zero installer from a trusted source using software update or App Store methods. Reserve a clean 16 GB USB drive and format it as Mac OS Extended, journaled in Disk Utility. Disable File Vault and note the firmware password status before proceeding. Ensure you have an administrator account with full privileges on the Mac. Open Terminal and use the Create Install Media command to make the Ventura USB installer. Download OpenCore Legacy Patcher and run its build tool to produce a matching OpenCore boot disk. Copy the OpenCore files to the USB EFI partition following the patcher prompts. Use the patcher to select model-specific kernel and kext patches for graphics and power management. Install the patched EFI onto the USB installer to enable booting on unsupported hardware. Verify the USB boots by rebooting. Boot the Mac from the patched USB installer and choose Install Mac OS Ventura. Select the target drive and follow the installer prompts to complete the installation. After the first boot, run OpenCore Legacy Patcher in post-install mode to apply remaining patches and install the patched EFI to the internal drive. Test Wi-Fi, audio, sleep, and graphics. Apply additional kexts from the patcher if necessary. Re-enable system integrity protection only if your configuration supports it, and keep regular backups and a recovery USB handy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.